Got to give the people what they want. Well, I said I got to give the people what they want. Back again, giving the people what they want. This time, pretty sure the people want to do a little bit of review, test, preparation, action. So that's what I'm going to do. Alright, so exponents. Quick rules for exponents. 1, get rid of parentheses by multiplying, right? Multiply. Boom. 2, rewrite with no negatives. 3, simplify across top and bottom. Across the top and across the bottom. And 4, simplify top, lessening to bottom. Okay? Those are the 4 things you're thinking of. Alright? So if you chose to write that down, that's cool. Whatever. So let's follow those steps. So if I get something like this, 2x to the negative 8th y to the 6th times 16x to the 8th, 16x to the 9th, y to the 15th. Get rid of my parentheses, I don't have any. Rewrite with no negatives. I'm rewriting this. 2x to the 8th, y to the 7th, 16x to the 9th, y to the 15th. Notice I rewrote that. Simplify across the top and across the bottom. There's nothing to do across the bottom. Across the top is 2 times 16 is 32. There are 22 y's and there are 9 x's. Boom, I'm looking good so far. And it says simplify top to bottom. That's that last step. Well, 32 over 1 is just 32. 9 x's on top, 8 x's on the bottom. There's 1 extra x at the top. And 22 y's at the top. So there's my final answer. Okay? Got it. Get it. Done. This is how all your problems should look. If you just follow this, you'll be good. Those of you who are trying to do other things, you might not be as good. So please just follow these steps. So let's do 2. Let's pick one of these that looks good. Let's go 16x squared y to the negative 4 over 4x to the 3rd y to the 6th times 8x to the 7th, y to the negative 3rd. Make it ugly. Okay? No parentheses to get rid of. Okay, I won't do it. Rewrite it with no negatives. Okay. 16x squared, y to the negative 4th moves down. Took care of all those. 4 is still at the bottom, x3 is still at the bottom, y6 is still at the bottom, 8 is still at the bottom, x7 is still at the bottom, y to the negative 3 moves to the top. Simplify across the top, there's nothing to do. I have 16, I have 2 x's, and I have 3 y's. Simplifying across the bottom, I have 4 times 8, which is 32. I have 3 x's here and 7 x's here, which makes 10 x's. I have 6 y's here and 4 y's here, which makes 10 y's. Okay? Now moving down between 16 and 32. I can divide both of those by 16 over 16. Excuse me, so I'll just put it right here. So that becomes 1/2. 2 x's on top and 10 at the bottom. Leave 8 extra x's at the bottom. 3 y's on top and 10 at the bottom. Leave 7 extra y's at the bottom. Here's my final answer. All right. Last thing you need to see, and again, this is all preview. 2x to the third squared over 12x to the fifth, y to the negative 7th. Here's one, I got to get rid of parentheses. So I need to distribute this. This becomes 2 to the second power, x to the 3 times 2 to the 6th power. This is 12x to the 5th, y to the negative 7th. Again, now, I know 2 squared is 4, x to the 6th I don't need to change, 12 I don't need to change, x to the 5th I don't need to change, y to the negative 7 isn't good, so I'm going to move it up to the top. Boom. Now I'm simplifying. Top to bottom with my 4/12. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 6 x's on top and 5 on the bottom, which gives me an extra x on top. And 7 y's. Okay? If you can do these 3 type of problems, you will do just fine on your test. Make sure you're getting ready. Make sure you're focusing. Make sure you're preparing. Make sure you do your half-page cheat sheet. Don't forget that. It's not a cheat sheet. You guys call it a toolkit. Toolkit. Make sure you do that. Come in with a half page ready to help yourself. Make sure you have no example problems about radicals. Any other kind of examples are good. No radical examples. Okay? Good luck. You guys should do well on this test.